just table under the tree for me. Been an awful good girl, Santa baby.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I love you. Good morning. So today I look a mess. My hair is not done. Yeah, I got my hood on because my hair ain't yet. Look at the stairs. Look how cute this is. Let me check. Look how cute the dining room is coming. Christmas is gonna be lit in my house. Like, so it is 12 p.m. and I just got out of the bed. I didn't just get up though. And I'm about to make me and my boo thing something to eat. Honestly, you guys, I wish you guys go. What? What was that about? Go ahead. She has to use the bathroom, I think. See? Is she gonna use it right on the fucking walkway? Good girl. Come here. Why is she falling all over the place? Anyways. China! Where did she go? Oh. Oh my god. I got so scared. So. Okay. It is cold out there. Like, very, very, very cold. So, if you're going outside today, bundle up. She's just so excited. I'm gonna make some English muffins today. Yo, I really look crazy. Don't judge me, yo. I'll make some English muffins. I don't know what I want. I don't know what I want to eat. Let me think. What you want to eat, China? I'm gonna make some. My boyfriend wants to eat egg on, so you guys know he doesn't eat meat anymore. Makes my life so hard. I feel like I haven't eaten meat in so long. So I'm gonna make some egg on an English muffin, and then I'm gonna make me a bagel with cream cheese. Anyway. Oh, well, she don't have no more at all, so you gotta buy some. Alright. So I got my oven preheated. So I think I'm gonna make me an egg too. So I am going to make 5 eggs. Or 4. Yeah, I'm gonna make 4 eggs. I really, really, really want to go to the Wendy Williams show. And I also want to go to the Rio. I want to go there so bad. I love Wendy Williams so much. She's a Cancer just like me. I love the Rio. And I love just having that girl talk. Wendy is more messy. So, but I love the girl talk that the Rio does. Then I'm gonna scramble that. I could do it with a whisk, but I like doing it with a fork for some odd reason. I don't know why. Alright, and then I'm gonna get some, so this is like a cooking video. I'm gonna get some pepper and some salt. And I like to put that in there. Should I make 5 eggs? I don't know. No, I'm not making 5 eggs. And then I'm gonna mix that. I just put a little bit of pepper and literally like a pinch of salt. So. All right, and then I'm gonna get my stove ready. I'm gonna put some butter in the pan. The pan is way too hot. I don't know what to get people for Christmas. First off, today is the 10th. So I have a lot of Christmas shopping to do because Christmas is in like a week and some change. Like what? That is crazy. So I don't know. I don't know what to get people. What do I get my nephews and nieces? They literally have everything. Like legit everything. Like what do I get my sister? What do I get my mom? Would you guys want to see like a cooking video? Because I could do a cooking video. I sometimes cook now. I really look like alien. But I cook sometimes now. So I could like do a cooking video on like one of my favorite things that I cook. My mac and cheese is bomb. It's the family recipe. So I can't do that because they'll kill me if I give the recipe away. What do you guys think? Comment below if you want to see me do a cooking video. Alright, so I'm gonna put the eggs in. Now, one thing about me is I don't like putting my egg in the bowl the pan and scrambling it in the pan. I hate that. That's considered scrambled eggs, but it just doesn't taste good to me. Like literally the taste changes, and I really hate it. Like I like when it's more like omelet style. The flavor locks in a little bit more. So even though this is not an omelet, but that's how I like to do it. So I'm gonna pour this in here. Put this in the sink. I don't need this fork no more, but I'm gonna still keep it by and wash it off. I'm gonna take a wooden spatula, or probably this one. I like this one. I like to use this one. I'm gonna use this one instead. They're kind of the same. This one's just bigger and thicker. So let me show you guys. So this is the egg, and I like to just move the cooked part around. I like to like bring it all together. And then I'll flip it at a point. Like all of this is cooking and this is already cooked, so then I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this and flip it. All of that is cooking. I'm gonna take this and flip it and put it next to that. This is still cooking. Spread that out. And then I like to, like this is just so much more flavorful. It really has flavor in it. When you scramble it, the flavor, it tastes like breath. I don't know. But I've done it and it was disgusting. I had to throw it out. People have cooked my egg like that and I hate it. It's just a real like preference for me. And so at this point where it's almost done, you can either flip it. I like to flip it again and let the other side cook and fry like that. And this is when I like to add cheese. American cheese. I cannot eat eggs without cheese at all. Like, absolutely not. So I'm gonna turn that off and I'm gonna put the top on there. That's not even the top to go to that. I don't know where the top is to go to this pan. But I'm gonna let that, like, you know, sweat so the cheese come out. And then I'm gonna go and make some English muffins. And then just to add to it, I put a little bit more pepper. Just because it tastes so much better when it's like pepper on top. I don't know why, but it does. And a little bit of salt, literally. I got my coffee. How good does this look? It's a lot of grain up on this plate, but I know he wants this. I never had that before. I don't even know, so. And I want this one. So I'm about to do some laundry. Out of breath from carrying this laundry basket up here. All right, so I'm about to do this. Today's just like a cleaning day, you know? Like today I'm gonna clean my hair. I'm gonna wash my hair and do some stuff like that. So today is really just a day to like get busy in the house, you know. This is all dark clothes, so this is me and my boyfriend's clothes mixed. He doesn't live here, but he has some clothes here because he's always here with me. A lot of people think he lives with me. They always ask me that. A lot of people ask me that, actually, like a lot. It's weird, but he doesn't live with me. He has his own place. He doesn't even live in New York, okay? So this is why he has clothes here, because when he comes to New York, he stays here with me. So we kind of have I call it a long distance relationship, even though we see each other a lot, but he doesn't live here. Put some detergent in there. Ugh. I've been getting a lot of messages of people saying, you know, they never liked me before, but now that they are watching my Vlogmas and getting to know me, that they like me. And it's so funny because people have judged me so much off of nothing. I don't know where people get this they don't like me thing from. A lot of people think that I'm like very snobby, or I don't know, a lot of people think I'm a lot of things, and it's really weird because the stigma people put on me, I am nothing like that girl. Like, I'm not cocky. I don't think I'm better than I don't understand. I don't know. It's really weird. So I'm just happy that you guys get to see another side of me and really get to know me. And I told you guys this on Twitter. I always say, if you don't follow me on Twitter, follow me, because I talk a lot. But I said this on Twitter that you guys are gonna really like, it's gonna get personal. You're gonna see my transparency, because I'm like this daily, but I can't be like this towards the public because they criticize me so much. So I really held back a lot. I don't know, like, but I'm happy you guys are loving it. I'm happy that Vlogmas is, I can't wait for you guys to see more. I have so much more coming, like, you don't understand. All right, so the stuff is in there. Is this a tutorial on how to fucking be in the house or something? Like, I'm gonna push power and I'm gonna put it on normal. I could either do one of these, like I have active wear, heavy duty, colors and darks. This is actually darks, so I might put it on that, which is an hour. I don't have time for an hour. It's the same type of wash, so I'm gonna do normal. You can't even see it because of all that damn soap, but it's gonna start going. Hey guys, so today has been such a like slow day. I just been cleaning and doing laundry. It's 6 o'clock and I'm about to edit, so I'm a little late on my video today. Hope you guys don't kill me, but I'm sitting at my computer and I am about to find out who the giveaway winner is. So this is the giveaway video. YouTube Gen comment generator. Oh, also I wanted to know if you guys would like to see what's in my iPhone video. Let me know about that, because I know y'all nosy as hell, and that's okay because I love you guys, but let me know if you guys want to see that video, because I have it planned, but I want to know. Dresses like she has a personal stylist. Do I? Do you guys think I dress like I have a personal stylist? I really like to get dressed. One of my goals in life is to make a clothing line. I really love getting dressed. Like, I've really been into it lately. I don't know what it is, but what do you guys think? So I'm gonna try this website. Okay, so wait, what is it doing? Okay, so this is randomizing the comments, and is it done? Oh no, it's not done. This is crazy. Oh my god. Okay, so I guess it's going to the number of comments, and it's really just gonna pick one. So I have 2,700 comments, so it has to get there. OMG. Is this nerve-wracking or what? Okay, randomly pick a winner. So this girl could have won. I'm not even gonna put her Instagram name out there. But she didn't follow the rest of the rules. She only did the template, and for the how many times did he say in total, she put you said like 10 sis, which I don't know what that means. But we're gonna randomize again. All right, so this one says that's underscore so Vonnie. I can't see this girl's page, it's private, so I can't do it. Now I gotta do another one. Okay, so this girl Instagram is so you shady. All right, she follows. This is what she looks like. That's crazy. August 26th, she actually posted something about me, one of her old posts. She's just so happy that I did Nikki's makeup. Wow, she's a true supporter. Look, May 12th. Wow, and she follows. So let's look at her story. So she says, your sister Sandy, 20,000 times that you said you love me. The lady in the flower shop does me the ride. Tesla or Range Rover or have more fun. Alright, so that girl didn't win, but I'm still gonna reach out to her and say hi. She's a real supporter. I've seen it on her page, so that's really nice. But I'm gonna have to pick another winner, so let's go. You guys are really like posting this without public pages. It's so crazy. Like, I can't even. This girl said, your sister Jessica. She got Jessica's name right. A lot of people were just saying sister, so the part that is Jessica is really important. She said Sandy. She said 12 times. She said the lady at the flower shop. Are you sure you don't need a ride? A Tesla or a Range Rover? Those who say yes have more fun. So I think this girl won. Girl that has won the giveaway, her name is Samaya, and her Instagram name is also Samaya. I'm gonna put her Instagram somewhere, so if you guys want to follow her, make sure you guys are following her. She follows me. She literally got everything right, every single thing right. Like, it's crazy. So this is her page. As you can see, it says follow back because she does follow. So she completed all of the rules, and I'm really excited about it. So congratulations, Samaya. You have won a new Gucci bag.